SCHD ETF is about to split, 3-for-1 split. So for Charles Schwab's U.S. dividend equity ETF, many people invest in this for the dividends that they provide. But right now, as far as the share price, they're planning a 3-for-1 split. The 3-for-1 split will take this $84 price down to about $28 at the current time. So we expect that to lower the price of each share, which will allow more people to buy more shares as they can afford more shares. Those who are holding shares will just get 3 times as many shares as they currently have, and all the adjustments will happen as far as options are concerned as well. But as we take a look at this Charles Schwab ETF, SCHD, we can see that the volume is about 4.3 million. It has an average volume of about 2.7 million. Assets under management is 59 billion. Looking at the performance in the last 5 years, 54%. Year to date is 11%. So looking pretty good there. We'll also just take a look at the technicals. It's definitely a buy regarding the technicals as well. So looking over at the chart here, we can see that it is on the uptrend. It has been an uptrend for quite some time now, as it bounced previously off of the 200-day moving average, moved up, bounced off the 100-day moving average, and then it's sort of gliding up on this 25-day moving average. So we'll continue to see what happens. Of course, when they adjust the price, everything will get adjusted as far as the chart is concerned, and it'll be sort of like a new start at a new price. And we'll continue to see if it continues to move up from there. Usually it's a good sign if you're doing a split in the proper direction, which would be 3 shares for 1 share for every 1 share, versus doing a reverse split. If a company's doing a reverse split, many times they're trying to avoid being delisted or something like that. So reverse splits are not really the greatest thing, but a split is a good thing. It just shows that they're looking for growth. They want to have their shares be more affordable, and they want to move up. So looking at SCHD seems like a solid investment overall.